Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the text null feature in Alight Motion. So if your text animation are messy or hard to control, this trick will make everything super clean and easy. Let's get started. So first you can just open Alight Motion and tap on the plus button to create a new project and choose your aspect ratio, like for example 9 by 16 for TikTok or Reels. Tap on create project and now you can just add your text. Click on a plus and tags in here. You can just type any word that you want. Can you just go with hello? Let's make it bigger and change the color into white. Okay, so once you can adjust the size and place it wherever you want for the text. Now here's the secret part: add the null object. So here you can just click on a plus button again, and now you can just add shape, any shapes that you want, circle or square, so anything works. I'm going to just go with circle. So this will act as your null object. So basically the controller for the text, you can just make it small or move it to the side so it's not seen, just like this for example. And now you can just select the text and scroll down to the set the text, or select the shape as the parent. So now your text is linked to the null object. So this means whatever animations you apply to the null will affect to the text perfectly. So this is where the magic happens. You can just click on a circle or select the null objects and tap on move and transform, and now you can just add your keyframe. So your text will now follow all those animations smoothly without messy keyframe. So you can just add animations in here on the circle. So when you're done, you can just tap on export, click on the export at the top and select your quality and FPS and click on export to save it to your gallery. And that's it. That's how you use the text null method in Alight Motions. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching.